is Chris Sheehy, and I'm an asset manager with Veranda. As an asset manager, I'm often asked about the processings of investing in commercial property in New Zealand and how Veranda can help. Commercial property is a significant undertaking, and here at Veranda we understand the importance of making the correct decisions. I thought this would be a good opportunity to make a quick video about what's involved in commercial investing and how we can help you here at Veranda. To give you a brief update on the market, commercial property has been performing very well over the years. As we all know, COVID has definitely put a bit of an uncertainty into the market. However, we're seeing that the Auckland market is very robust and still a smart investment. Yields and returns are still healthy and interest rates are low, meaning property remains a stable asset. But it's important to play the long-term game and have an expert asset manager on your side who can shield you from market fluctuations and keep you confident for the journey ahead. Now to go over some of the steps that we will go over with you as a client. First off, we'd like to get to the heart of your financial goals. Here at Veranda, we understand that it's not a one-size-fits-all investment. Maximizing returns is obviously the most common goal, but otherwise, the approach can be very tailored. Success for us means building a strong relationship with all our clients and coming together to meet your strategy in particular. Several properties can look appealing from the surface, but we draw on at least 150 years of combined experience to ensure the acquisition process is thorough and rewarding for you, the client. Which means we're confident that turning down properties that don't quite stack up to your needs or your financial goals. When the right property is found, to ensure we're all on the same page, we can liaise on your behalf with your accountant, solicitor, real estate, or bank, and so on. Among the due diligence, perhaps the biggest yardstick that we hold is we focus on, if this was our money, would we purchase the property? Removing the emotion and making it a very business-based decision is key. Finally, our services don't stop at the first acquisition. We can appoint an asset manager to ensure you get the best from your property. These are optional layers, but are invaluable to the majority of our clients, saving time and stress, along with making the experience more financially rewarding. But I can cover off property management in an up-and-coming video. In closing, it's worth pointing out that commercial property is a journey, and I'm always looking at ways to improve and add value to my client's portfolio. At this point, you may also be curious about how our fee structure works. Everything is transparent and outlined from the get-go. We act for you, the investor. Every decision we make has your best interest at heart. It's also worth mentioning, with our networks in the industry and access to off-market transactions, makes it easy to invest with our help. That was a brief outline into our property investment approach. I hope this has given you some initial confidence to get in touch and find out more. We would be delighted to hear from you and assist.